All right, guys, it's finally here. The moment we've all been waiting for. Our TFL studio is finished.
The shed.
It's the barn.
It's a barn.
Let me show you why this is a studio.
Okay.
All right, here we go. Open sesame. Open sesame.
There we go.
There we go. I think you'll be amazed.
Roman, the floor looks nice. And the cars.
I'm telling you, boys, it's a studio.
Wow.
It's still kind of hollow, isn't it?
Well, it's a little echoey.
Not just that. I mean, yeah, it's echoey, but it's got the cars, it's got some nice stuff up there, but it's missing stuff.
Well, what's it missing, dude?
We need a Christmas tree. It'll soak up the sound, the echo, it's festive.
Maybe a menorah and maybe a pole for Festivus, the whole 9 yards.
All right. Well, let's do this. Why don't we pick one of the cars and go get ourselves a Christmas tree at the local Christmas tree Home Depot or wherever they sell them.
One of these cars.
Yeah.
Yes. What?
So, Nathan, which car do you want to take?
Well, maybe the Mercedes.
No, can't take the Mercedes. It's a two-seater, and the top is broken so that it leaks hydraulic fluid all over the passenger.
Good point, but that's a four-seater, the 944. This can hold 4 people.
Yes, it can hold 4 people, but there's an issue. The battery's dead. It's not plugged in.
The German cars. Okay, speaking of German cars, and this one, this can totally hold 4 people, and I know it runs.
You want to take the pristine M6, one of a few, maybe 100 that are in the country with the glorious paint job to put a Christmas tree on the roof?
That's a no.
That's a no. That's an
a-
absolute no. Okay, what else?
The 911?
It's a convertible. I guess you could use a whale tail to tie down the Christmas tree, but it would be a little goofy.
Back seats aren't very good.
Yeah, all right.
But this one we know has a back seat,
The deux chevaux?
and it's not German.
Yeah, it's also a convertible. That whole thing, yeah, that's a whole convertible.
Yeah.
Tree on top there. All right, what else?
Tommy's Mini?
It doesn't run, Nathan.
Okay, so
Tommy, what are you doing, dude?
Just making sure the wheels are tight on the Fiat.
Tommy's making sure the wheels are tight on the Fiat, which I suspect means that we take the Fiat.
4 of us.
4 of us in the Fiat. Me, you, Andre, and Tommy go pick up a Christmas tree in the Fiat. Come on, this entire Italian families would have used this Cinquecento as their family excursion, family truckster, family hauler. So the 4 of us should be able to go to Home Depot and grab a Christmas tree.
None of those people are our size.
Yeah, the Italians are also big and wide. Wow. Shall we do it, gentlemen?
Yeah.
A Cinquecento Christmas.
Who's going to be in the front? Who's going to be in the back?
I think me and you get in the back, Andre, and Nathan, you and Tommy get in the front.
Yeah.
Oh. Start the Italian Christmas music, please. Moving the seat forward, inserting myself. Okay, Roman, was this your idea? I think it was Tommy's idea. Hold on, let me get. So, the beautiful thing about this, Roman, is that we don't need seatbelts because we're wedged. Are you wedged? I can't get my foot. It's okay, just put it underneath the seat. Can you move this forward?
Sure. Yeah. All yours, Tommy.
I don't know, Roman.
What's in there?
You'll crush my. Oh, there you go. Okay. Okay. There you go. My God. All right. Roman.
How you feeling?
I'm fine. Just sit.
All right, you ready?
Oh, ow. Yes. Are you okay, Tommy?
Oh yeah, oh great.
You know what that sounded? That's the tires. Oh, are the tires flat?
Hold on, I'm trying to get the other leg in here.
Hold on.
I think we exceeded the payload here.
What is the payload of this vehicle?
9 pounds.
Not this many.
Hold on, almost there. I seriously
okay,
can't
Roman?
get my foot in.
Not really. Roman, I can't move much further.
Hold on. No, I got it.
What?
Oh, there we go.
Don't slam it, dude. You'll slam my knee. Okay. All right. Okay. Are you alive? Yeah, I'm alive.
Ooh, I think we could.
You sit back.
Is everyone ready?
Yes.
Starting the engine.
Okay. Wait, will it start?
Oh, I forgot to turn the key.
Oh yeah, no problem.
Uh-oh.
Wait. Did you flood it?
This has not gone well. Here, maybe a little bit more choke.
Well, it's kind of a warm-blooded engine, right? Or cold-blooded. Yay!
I mean, it prefers Mediterranean weather over this.
Are you ready?
How you doing, Roman?
I am okay.
I thought you'd start talking like a soprano.
It moves!
It moves?
Oh, yes.
How far do we need to go? I don't know, 10 miles.
10 miles?
I don't know, maybe last 5 miles, long miles.
That's gonna take a long time in this car.
We might get stuck, Tommy.
Oh, we're not gonna get stuck. There's more weight over these wheels than any other car in history. Oh, yes. Look at the power. That's full power, by the way.
That is full power?
That's all she's got. Should we try the brakes?
We have brakes?
Oh, hey, the seat went up.
Yeah, that was great.
Keep hitting the brakes.
Now I got leg room.
Yeah.
Are you okay, Nathan?
No, I'll never get out of the car, ever. But the seat slid up seriously, like 4 inches.
Wow, Tommy, we are accelerating.
This is rally mode style.
In a second.
We're like into the Acropolis.
That's nearly 12 miles an hour, guys.
I'm surprised we still have ground clearance.
Oh, yeah, this thing's a little unit. Look at the performance.
All right, boys, so I think we need, how big of a tree do we want? As big as possible.
Well, this car's gonna only be able to carry so much.
Any tree we get is going to be bigger than this car.
Yeah, I mean, Charlie Brown's tree might overdo this thing. We're already well over its maximum weight.
How long is this car, Tommy?
It's like
8
8 feet long, 9 feet long, something like that.
So like an 8-foot tree is what you're thinking?
Yeah, sure.
All right, so, and then we want to get some lights, right?
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
And a stand.
Menorah?
If we can find menorah and a pole, maybe. We have extra pole. We have extra poles at the
A
ranch.
dancing pole?
No, for Festivus.
Oh. Does this thing have a frunk, Tommy?
It does have a frunk.
All right, well, we can
It has a frunk?
Oh, yeah.
So hopefully we can get the lights and the tree stand into the front.
Oh, yeah.
What's the rev limit?
I don't know.
But we just know
There's no tachometer.
it's when it gets to that sound. That's when you stop. You take your foot off the accelerator.
I think my leg is asleep, Roman. I cannot feel my legs. My legs fell asleep like...
Tommy, you still have a
10 minutes
grandmother,
ago.
right? Your grandmother's still around. So when she does the kvetching and everything else, it's basically what we're hearing right now, right?
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, I just wanted to make sure you guys are channeling your grandmother's babushkas.
It's moving up my spine.
Oh, the pain! You guys don't know.
Are we there
Oh,
yet?
what the? This isn't a ride. This is torture. I seriously am wondering how we're gonna get a tree to really work.
Yeah, I'm wondering that as well. All right, we are out here at this fantastic little tree farm, and I'm out here with Grant. Grant, how you doing?
Good, how are you?
And Grant actually watches the channel and has a Hummer H1.
Yes, I do.
That's super cool. So tell me about your little tree farm here.
Well, we started this up. This year is the first year in this location. We have a tree nursery in Boulder called Creekside Tree Nursery, and we sell Christmas trees during this time of year. I hear you guys are looking for one.
We're looking for a big tree for our little car.
This is the biggest one you got, right?
Yes, yeah. Definitely.
Nathan, that might be a little ambitious.
No, let's do it. Come on, Tommy. Sense of adventure.
Yeah, come on.
Now you have a website, right?
We do. LittleBarnTreeFarm.com. If you guys are looking for a Christmas tree, stop on by.
Fantastic.
Yeah, it's
All
not
right.
corporate either. Yeah.
So is there a lot to know about Christmas trees, or are they all pretty
Christmas
similar?
trees, it's kind of like cut flowers. Basically, you choose it, you take it home, you got to give them a nice cut, get them into water, and don't let it run out, and that way they last a long time for you.
Do you like that one, or should we go to the bigger one?
I kind of like this one.
All right, I think we'll take this one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Deal.
like a
Sweet.
deal.
I'll get you
All right.
paid up here.
Thank you. So they want a fresh cut. You need to do that just like fresh cut flowers. You need to get it cut. That way when it gets home, it can actually drink water. So we can do that here. We also can wrap it and load it for you. So it makes it really easy.
All right, guys, are you ready?
Yeah, let's do this.
All right, 3, 2, 1.
Well, more lights.
More lights.
Oh, God.
Roman. Oh, hey, look at this. It's beautiful.
Very nice. Very festive.
Our star could have been a little bit better, Roman, I think.
Yeah, the star does not work.
It's different.
It's kind of like TFL.
We're a little off kilter. Yes. Not everything matches. Yeah, right there.
All right, guys. Well, happy holidays. Merry Christmas. What else, Nathan?
Happy Hanukkah, joyous Kwanzaa.
Festivus?
Yes, good Festivus.
Yes.
And thank you for a wonderful year. Thank you all for working with us, for watching. And Happy New Year.
Yes.
Yes.
And we'll see you next time. Ciao.